फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी इन मैथ्स टफ लगता है। एक गलती और मार्क्स कट। अब ये टेंशन को करते हैं हमेशा के लिए ख़त्म। लेट्स गेट आवर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर। पर्सनल अटेंशन एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप लर्निंग। बुक योर फ्री डेमो टुडे. Try first, pay later only when you like. Link on the description. Click on the link, select your class. After selecting your class, add in your phone number and book in your free demo so that never ever you have to face any difficulty in maths. Planet Spark gives one-stop solution for all the difficulties in maths. So just book your free demo today itself and don't forget to subscribe. Once upon a time in a smart city, there was a young architect named Arav. He was designing a brand new classroom for students. The classroom was shaped like a cuboid, just like a little big box. But Arav had three questions. How much space will the classroom hold? How much paint is needed to cover the walls? And how much material is needed to build the entire structure? So here where Planet Spark came to his rescue. In this video of Planet Spark today, we'll understand the concepts of cuboid components like length, breadth, height, LSA, TSA and volume. Let's understand what a cuboid is. A cuboid is made up of, is a three-dimensional figure. It is made up of 6 of your rectangles when joined together. So 6 of the rectangles when joined together will show that I have 6 faces to my cuboid. Also, the vertices are the vertex is the point where 2 of your edges intersect, they meet. The point where 2 edges meet is known as vertex. So we have 8 vertex and in total we have 12 edges. The 12 line segments, the 12 borders, we have 12 edges. This is what a cuboid looks like. Now comes the concept of surface area and volume of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid. As I told you, a cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces. So total surface area of cuboid would be the surface area, it would be the area of all 6 cuboids when I add together. That means I'm having 6 cuboids, I have joined them. The perimeter, the area of each cuboid is length into breadth. When I'm going to add the area of all 6, I'll get total surface area. That is 2 times length plus breadth plus height plus length per height. Next comes the LSA of cuboid, which we also known as area of 4 walls. Now the difference between total surface area and lateral surface area is, in lateral surface area we don't include the top and bottom, we only include the 4 walls. Volume of the cuboid, that means the space occupied, is L into B into H. Here an important point to note is that how much space occupied will give you volume. How much paint you need to cover the wall is going to give you your area of 4 walls, LSA, if you're not painting top and bottom, and how much material you require to make it would be given by total surface area. Moving on to the question, find the volume, total surface area and lateral surface area of cuboid, which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3.5 meter high. Now volume of cuboid, the formula is L into B into H. Length is 8 meter, breadth is 6 meter, height is 3.5 meter. And volume, one important thing is that volume is always written in meter cube because there are 3 dimensions that we are multiplying, length, breadth and height. So my answer is 168 meter cube. Next is total surface area of cuboid, and the formula for total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB, that is length, breadth plus BH plus LH. So in place of length, I'll put as 8. In place of breadth, we will write on 6. And in place of height, we are going to replace it by 3.5. So this is the way we are going to get the answer. Now multiplying them, 8 into 6 is 48. 6 into 3.5 is going to give us 21. And 8 into 3.5 will give us 28. So further, one more important concept to remember, that area unit is always meter square, because here we take 2 dimensions. Either I'll take length or breadth or height or length of height at a time and multiply 2 dimensions. So we'll get the answer as 2 into 97 meter square, which is 194 meter square. Planet Spark का important tip, वॉल्यूम की यूनिट हमेशा मीटर क्यूब में लिखना, एरिया की यूनिट हमेशा मीटर स्क्वायर में लिखना. marks cut हो जाते हैं, and I don't want my Planet Sparkians to even lose half a mark in their exam. Now, LSA of cuboid, that is the area of 4 walls, is 2h bracket L plus B. Over here, h is 3.5, L is 8, and B is 6. So I have 2 into 8 plus 6 is 14 into 3.5. 2 into 14 gives us 28, and 28 into 3.5 will give us 98 meters square. I hope this question is clear with everyone. If you have any queries, you can mention the answer, mention it in the comment box. I'll get back to your queries. Now, Planet Spark always make sure that my students are not going to do routine simple questions. They should be prepared for even the difficult and the hot type of question. So moving on a little bit level of the questions, how many bricks will be required to make a wall which is 8 meter long, 6 meter high, and 22.5 meter wide? Also, I'm given that the measurement of one brick is 25 centimeter into 11.25 centimeter into 6 centimeter. अब इसमें क्या करना है, हमें ब्रिक्स बतानी है, कितनी ब्रिक्स लगेंगी. अब कितनी ब्रिक्स लगेंगी बतानी है, दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू टेल नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स. नंबर ऑफ हमने छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ा है, जब भी निकालना हो वी डिवाइड टू क्वांटिटीज, पर किसको डिवाइड करना है? सो इन दिस केस वील फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल, वील फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ब्रिक, वील डिवाइड द टू एंड गेट द आंसर. Length of wall is 8 meter, which is 8 into 100, 800 centimeter. I have converted into centimeter as all the other units are in centimeter. Breadth of wall is 6 meter, 6 into 100 centimeter. Height of the wall is 22.5 centimeter. Planet Spark का एक और बहुत important tip, हमेशा units same रखनी होती हैं. Again, नहीं तो आंसर गलत आता है, marks cut हो जाते हैं. So volume of the wall is L into B into H, that is 800 into 22.5 into 600 centimeter cube. Now I have converted everything into centimeter. Volume of one brick is again cuboidal in shape, so that is L into B into H, which is 25 into 11.25 into 6 centimeter whole cube. Now I have not multiplied the answers over here because I want to find out number of bricks. Now number of bricks find करने के लिए volume of wall would be divided by volume of one brick. So what is the point that first we'll multiply, then we'll divide? We are just going to increase our effort. So in this kind of question, it is always advisable कि हम अपनी calculations को reduce करें, टाइम सेव करें, ताकि पेपर में हमारे को कोई हासिल ना हो और पेपर टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो. So volume of one of wall is 800 into 22.5 into 600 divided by volume of brick, which is 25 into 11.25 into 6. Now it's like 6 and 100 would be cancelled. Similar ways you can do the cancellations. After doing the cancellations, you will find out that we totally require 6400 bricks. So 6400 bricks are required to make one wall. I hope the question was clear. Moving on to the next question. Now the next question says the volume of a rectangular tank is 182 meter cube. So I'm having a rectangular tank. I'm given the length, I'm given its breadth. I need to find out depth. So length is 8 meter, length of the tank is 8 meter, breadth of the tank is 6.5 meter. I don't know the depth. Depth and height is the same thing. If I'm going to say it, I'm going to take it as a taller one. ऊपर की तरफ it would be height. नीचे की तरफ जैसे well हमने dig करा, ground के अंदर हमने dug करा, in that case it will be taken as depth. So length of tank is 8 meter, breadth of tank is 6.5 meter. Let the depth of tank be x meter. You can take it as any variable. You can take it A, H, you can take it D, you can take it E. It's just your choice. Now volume of the rectangular tank is L into B into H. Volume is given to me as 182 meter cube. In place of L, I will write down 8. In place of B, I will write down 6.5. H, I will replace by X because we have taken depth as X. You can leave it over as H also over there. Now 8 into 6.5 is multiplied on RHS. If I take it to LHS, it would be divided. So 182 upon 8 into 6.5 is going to give me X. 8 into 6.5 is 8 multiplied by 6.5 will give you 52. When you are going to divide it, you will get 3.5 as your answer. So that means depth of the tank is 3.5 meter. I hope the question is clear. If still you have any doubt, you're always open to contact Planet Spark. Planet Spark is always there for your help. Moving on to the next question. The volume of a reservoir is 108 meter cube. Now there is a reservoir which is cuboidal in shape and the volume of that reservoir is 108 meter cube. Water is poured in at a rate of 60 liters per minute. एक रेक्टेंगुलर क्यूबॉइड है, रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक है, रेक्टेंगुलर रिजर्वॉयर है जिसमें पानी फिल हो रहा है. उसमें कितना पानी फिल हो रहा है? 60 लीटर्स 1 मिनट में फिल हो रहा है. आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट कितनी देर लगेगी इस रिजर्वॉयर को फिल करने के लिए. वॉल्यूम मुझे ऑलरेडी दी हुई है. 1 मिनट में कितना पानी भरता है वो भी दिया हुआ है. द ओनली थिंग आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट इज नंबर ऑफ आवर्स. Yes, and you are correct to calculate number of anything, we always divide. But first, let's make the units same. I am given the rate as 60 liter per minute and volume is 108 meter cube. So first, let's make the conversion. We'll convert meter cube into liter. 1 meter cube is going to be 1000 liters. So my answer would be 108 into 1000 liters. That is 108,000 liter. Rate of flow of water per minute is given to me as 60 liters per minute. I have to find the time taken to fill the reservoir. This is a simple question. Time taken to fill the reservoir would be simply volume of reservoir in liters divided by rate of flow of water in liters per minute. मतलब जितनी मेरे पूरे टैंक की वॉल्यूम है उसको 1 मिनट में कितना पानी फिल होता है उससे डिवाइड कर देंगे. पूरे टैंक की वॉल्यूम is what I have got as 108 into 1000. That is 108,000 liters. You remember I told you units should be same, so we have converted into liters. Divided by 60. Now divided by 60 will give me the answer in minutes. But wait, my question says I want answer in hours. So I will again divide it by hours to convert minute into hours. Now on cancellation and simplification, we'll get the answer as 30 hours. So it takes 30 hours to fill in that reservoir. I hope the question is clear. If not clear, feel free to contact to Planet Spark. So in today's video, we have covered that LSA covers the 4 walls. It's a hollow figure, top and bottom not included. TSA covers the entire outer surface and volume tells us the space inside. Now, one important question. Planet Spark में आए हैं तो let's check concept clarity आई है कि नहीं. If I give you that a cuboid has length 8 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter, can you quickly find out volume and TSA and mention the answer in the comment box? Do mention it don't forget to mention in the comment box. Do it right now so that you know whether the question is clear with you or not. Thank you for watching. So for one-stop solution of all your maths problems, click the link on the description. Select your class. After selecting your class, you just have to add your phone number and get your free demo booked now. Let's start and solve all the difficulties that we are facing in maths.